In the next few decades, it's expected the number of people 75 years and older will have increased by 200%. Age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's will be the most pressing problems facing our healthcare system.
In the next few decades, it's expected that the number of people 75 years of age or older will have increased by 200%. Diseases of aging will be one of the most pressing problems facing our healthcare system. Alzheimer's is presently the fourth leading cause of death, particularly for those over age 65. Researchers still aren't clear on how the disease progresses, but the discovery of a new imaging technique is bringing at least one thing into focus.
With the atomic force microscope, we produce an image which is similar to a twisted ribbon, in which there is a continuous structure, continuous flat structure, which twists upon itself.
Michael Polanin is describing the shape of protein filaments which assemble in the brain cells of Alzheimer's victims. For decades, scientists have accepted a much different image of the filaments.
And they found the proteins to be forming two individual filaments that were wound together like a spiral staircase type model.
Peter Markovitz explains how they got the clearer picture.
It's essentially working like a record needle. Essentially, you've got a very sharp tip which passes over your sample.
Because the needle on the atomic force microscope is larger than the actual protein filament, a mathematical equation was worked out to compensate for the needle's comparative largeness. Getting a clear and accurate picture provides a clue as to how the filaments assemble. The twisted ribbon suggests that it forms in the same way as a crystal.
So these are the first steps in the attempt to develop techniques and agents that can stop the assembly of these filaments.